sent to save you. I can teach you to forget and forgive. And so I waded into that river, went under, and he said, come take my hand now and I'll let you go. You know the river is long, the current is strong, but I have my teeth. And I've seen this all before. I am the man of the river. I was sent to save you. I can lead you to your open door. So come with me, I'll set you free. But do not follow, no, this time you must lead. He said, walk your own way. From day to day, yet be departed from his dark dismay. Oh, he said, come for yourself, you got to escape this hell. You know that too many before you.
Yep.